हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द निफ्टी सिटी चैनल। लेट नाइट एडिशन हो गया थोड़ा। एक्चुअली आई वाज अज्यूमिंग कल हॉलीडे होने वाला है, बट वीव रियलाइज्ड दैट टुमारो द मार्केट्स आर फंक्शनिंग। सो डेफिनेटली, एज वी नो, एवरी संडे एक डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस बनता है। सो व्हाट इज द करंट सिचुएशन? करंट सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिबेट गोइंग ऑन कि बॉटम लग चुका है, बॉटम नहीं लगा है, मार्केट्स आर ओवरसोल्ड, पुल बैक पेंडिंग है, वीकली चार्ट इज सेइंग दैट वी आर completely negative, we are in a bearish market, etc, etc, etc. Okay, so there is a lot of opinions going around. तो ये वीडियो में हम क्या करने वाले, ऑब्वियसली वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द एग्जैक्ट लेवल्स एंड द प्लान एंड एवरीथिंग फॉर टुमारो, बट उसके पहले थोड़ा सा हम ज्ञान डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ओके, ज्ञान भी कभी कभी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है यार, बिकॉज खाली लेवल्स फॉलो करने से नहीं, मार्केट की अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए थोड़ी बहुत। सो वेरी बेसिक, सो व्हाट वी गोना डू इज वी गोना अंडरस्टैंड मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर। ओके, तो वी बेसिकली हैव थ्री phases in the market broadly. First phase is uptrend. Sorry for my handwriting, guys. Second phase is a downtrend, जो हम bear market कहते हैं. And third phase is a range, okay, or a consolidation. ये तीन phases है. Now whenever we are in a uptrend, अब uptrend में क्या क्या होगा? ऐसे तो डायरेक्ट मूव करेंगे नहीं uptrend, right? तो uptrend कैसा होता है? We move up, एक स्लाइड पुल बैक लेते हैं, देन वी मूव अप, एक स्लाइड पुल बैक लेते हैं, देन वी मूव, एक स्लाइड पुल बैक लेते हैं. ओके, दिस इज एन टिपिकल अप ट्रेंड. डाउन ट्रेंड में ऑब्वियसली रिवर्स होगा, वी आर फॉलिंग डाउन, एक पुल बैक लेंगे, विल फॉल डाउन, एक पुल बैक लेंगे, विल फॉल डाउन. दिस इज अ डाउन ट्रेंड. रेंज में क्या होता है? वी गो अप, कम बैक, गो अप, कम बैक, गो अप. ओके, दिस इज अ रेंज मार्केट. ठीक है, बहुत ही ब्रॉडली मैंने क्लासिफाई कर दिया आपको. नाउ when we are in an uptrend, when the markets are going up, when the markets come back like this, how does this market convert into a downtrend? ये जो स्विंग होगा ना, इसको स्विंग पॉइंट्स बोलते हैं. ये स्विंग को ये ब्रेक कर देगा. when this swing is broken, that time we come to know कि ठीक है भाई, the swing is broken, now we have moved into a downtrend. So ideally when the swing breaks, what should happen? It should make a lower high and then continue in the downtrend like this. ओके, ये बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अब ये बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों थी? बिकॉज अभी हमको चार्ट में देखना है. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर ऑन द मंथली चार्ट. वन मोर थिंग व्हाट आई विल टेल यू बिफोर गोइंग टू द चार्ट इज RSI. ओके, नाउ RSI, if it is above 60, it is a bull market, it's a bullish market, strength is good. ठीक है, इंडेक्स हो, स्टॉक हो, RSI above 60 is strength. 60 to 40 I would consider it a range. As soon as it goes below 40, it's weak, and below 30 is kind of oversold zone. Similarly, above 70 is overbought. Okay, अब ओवरबॉट एंड ओवरसोल्ड में ऐसा नहीं होता कि डायरेक्टली ओवरबॉट हो गया तो इंस्टेंटली मार्केट गिरेगी, या डायरेक्टली ओवरसोल्ड हो गया तो इंस्टेंटली मार्केट बढ़ेगी. ऐसा नहीं होता. दीज आर जनरल लेवल्स. बिलो 30 इट कैन गो टू 25 ऑल्सो, इट कैन गो टू 20 ऑल्सो. ओके, if the sentiment is very weak. Now we have the Nifty chart on the screen. Okay, this is the monthly Nifty chart. Now monthly क्यों खोला हमने? Whenever we do a top down analysis, we start with monthly, which is a very big time frame, which will give us a big picture. अब मंथली टाइम फ्रेम पे ये चार्ट देख के आपको कहीं भी ये डाउन ट्रेंडिंग लग रहा है? ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट अ डाउन ट्रेंडिंग चैनल एट ऑल. ठीक है, ये ऊपर गया, एक पुल बैक लिया, और वापस ही अपनी जर्नी ऊपर की स्टार्ट कर देगा. सो दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल डाउन ट्रेंडिंग ऑन मंथली चार्ट. RSI लेवल क्या है? 58.59, अराउंड अबाउट 60. स्ट्रेंथ, I wouldn't say it is in good strength mode right now. Obviously इधर कहीं बॉटम बना के रिवर्स हुआ, So we will consider this as strength. But currently, would we call RSI in strength zone? Yes, it is in the strength zone, but we wouldn't call it extremely bullish. Now, what is the reason for having a bottom here is whenever we are in uptrend, okay, मैंने 21 EMA का benefit आप लोग को बहुत बार बताया है अपने previous videos में भी. Whenever we are following a trend and suppose it's a bullish trend, market is an uptrend, and the 21 EMA breaks on the downside, that is when you should exit the uptrend. Okay. Now, if you see here, this red line that is moving like this is the 21 EMA on the monthly chart. Okay, if I have to note it down exactly, it is 15,562. Does this mean we will have to touch 15,562? No. Only thing, if we break 15,562, then definitely we will move towards this swing of 14,140. In my opinion, till the time 15,562 is intact, we have no issues. Okay, on a month-on-month closing basis. Okay, it can obviously tap below it when I'll take you to the weekly and the daily chart and everything. I'll show you the support zones. We can tap below it, but monthly closing below this, I don't see it. Okay. Now, if you see the trend, we have constantly maintained on the monthly chart. This is the 9 EMA, this purple line. Okay. Constantly, we have not closed on a month-on-month basis below the purple line. Okay, this is a fact. Here you can see in the month of Feb, we dipped, made a low, 16,200 के आसपास का low बनाया. Again, we recovered, we closed above the purple line, above the 9 EMA. Same thing happened in March. We made a low that was 15,782 के आसपास का हमने low बनाया. What is the low here? 15,671 का low बनाया, and then we closed above it. Month of April, we did not go below the 9 EMA. 9 EMA को touch करके we went up. Now, again, when we are seeing the month of May, we have gone below the 9 EMA. Almost we are going to be touching the 21 EMA. We haven't touched the 21 EMA. We haven't even touched the March ka lows. If the strength is to continue, I wouldn't be surprised if we close above the 9 EMA again in the month of May. That is closing above 16,700. It is very much possible. Same thing if we see for Bank Nifty, what has happened? Bank Nifty, if you see, look at the RSI level, it is around 53. Less strength than Nifty. Okay. Still, Bank Nifty is in a bullish zone. If I show you a Fibonacci, okay, Fibonacci retracement क्या होता है? एक ट्रेंड को हम मेजर करते हैं कि उसका पुल बैक किधर तक आ सकता है. एक अप ट्रेंड हो गया, इम्पल्स, उधर से एक पुल बैक आएगा, वो पुल बैक किधर तक आ सकता है, दैट इफ वी मेजर, ओके, वी टेक द लो, अपना कोविड का लो, 2020 लो, टू द हाई ऑफ द मार्केट. ओके, फर्स्ट लेवल दैट इज 23.6%, 15,986, वो हमने ब्रेक कर दिया. नाउ इन ऑल पॉसिबिलिटी वी शुड move towards 14,366. That is your first logical extension. Along with, you can see इधर एक base बना है, swing भी है अपना. But are we going to directly reach this level? Definitely not. We are not going to directly. This is a wide time frame. There will be बीच में pullbacks होंगे. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने कहा ये 9 EMA के ऊपर क्लोज कर सकता है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द पॉसिबिलिटीज. या तो ये डायरेक्टली 21 EMA के पहले ही रिवर्स हो जाए मार्केट. अगर ये 21 EMA और ये जोन ब्रेक होता है, वी विल डेफिनेटली सी 14,366. अब ये जोन कब ब्रेक होगा, कैसे ब्रेक होगा, दैट वी कैनॉट प्रेडिक्ट. नो वन कैन प्रेडिक्ट द मार्केट. आई कैन ओनली टेल यू गाइस, ये अगर ब्रेक हुआ तो दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट लॉजिकल जोन टारगेट. 14,150 से 14,300 के आसपास will be our next logical target. There is I'm saying this again, there is all possibility that we do not break this zone. Okay, we don't go below 15,500 at all and we reverse from here. Okay, on the upside, you can see definitely we have a nice trend line. Upside के लिए तो clear cut, when this trend line breaks, we will have huge opportunity. Now, same thing if I draw on Bank Nifty. Okay, right from March low to high. Now you can see this level 38.2% का retracement. Exactly, we have tapped that level in the month of March. Okay, month of March mein we have already tapped that level. So if we break 38.2, okay, that is around 32,000 ka zone. If we break 32,000, definitely we will move on to this Fibonacci extension along with this point. Okay, that is going to be 28,972 on spot. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. So this is the monthly time frame analysis. Now let us see what is happening on weekly. Okay, why are people so negative? ये Fibonacci मैं delete कर देता हूँ and let's hide the indicators. Now why are we so negative? Because we were in consolidation phase, we got a breakdown, we got a confirmation of the breakdown. Okay, so weekly पे, even if you see the RSI on Nifty, we are very negative on the weekly chart. Monthly basis पे we are not that negative. Weekly pay we are extremely negative. Okay, this is a negative formation. Now what is the good positive scenario out of this? Good positive scenario would be that we form a double bottom here and move towards the upside. Okay, what will be the resistance zone? Resistance zone will definitely be this 16,840, 800 के आसपास. And now again I'm talking about a larger scale, weekly time frame. Okay, this can happen in 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks. So the entire fall started in April. 4th April ko the fall started. So it took us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks to reach here. Okay, so I'm not saying the pullback is going to be immediately कि कल जाके आप 16,800 का call खरीद लो. I'm not saying that. Whenever we have a pullback in the market, 16,800 के आसपास, we are going to find a good resistance zone on the weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, if you see why I'm saying that this zone को break होना difficult होगा, you can see lot of transaction have happened here. इधर एक अच्छा खासा base formation हो चुका है. And if you see, this was the point of resistance also. Okay, so market was in uptrend. Okay, this is uptrend. Here we had a consolidation and here we gave the breakout. Here only we formed the base and then we moved up. So this zone is very important. 15,431 से लेके 15,513 spot का level है ये. This zone is very important. इधर एक अच्छा खासा base formation है. तो ये zone तोड़ना immediately तो नहीं टूटने वाला ये zone मेरे हिसाब से. Before a pullback, एक pullback तो इधर से आएगा, ठीक है. Pullback के बाद अगर वापस towards the lows Nifty starts moving, then this zone can break. Directly this zone is not going to break. Okay, according to me, so I think it will take 2-3 attempts for this zone to break. Market can be in a range, 15,500 से 16,500 के range में घूमते 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 2-3 attempt करके ये level टूट सकता है. Directly ये level मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं टूटेगा. Now, as you know, global markets have performed on Friday. Positive closing हुई है. US markets have closed positively. Nasdaq is 3% plus. Dow Jones, S&P, everything has closed in the positive. SGX Nifty has also closed in the positive. So we are looking at a positive opening tomorrow and some positive closing as well. So this will be considered a pullback for now. ठीक है, हम reverse तो बोल नहीं सकते. As of now, इसको हम pullback ही बोलेंगे. तो pullback किधर तक हो सकता है और क्या हो सकता है? Now, before I move on to the daily, Bank Nifty का भी एक बार weekly chart देख लेते. Okay, now this is the Bank Nifty weekly. फिब लेवल्स में डिलीट कर देता हूँ. नाउ बैंक निफ्टी के वीकली चार्ट पे here we have little more space towards the low, that is 32,108. Okay, now here also we have, one sec, here also we have these swing points. Okay, so this is the zone we have. Now this zone that we have here, this I am not seeing going to be. If you want, I can draw this on the chart. Okay, this will be a support zone. So this is 29,000 to 30,000 के बीच में. This is our final support that we have in bank nifty. Okay, like we had in nifty, we had this zone 430 to 513. Here we have this zone 29,000 to 30,000 के रेंज में आप पकड़ लो. इधर 200 EMA भी है हमारे पास वीकली चार्ट पे, तो बैंक निफ्टी में भी ये जोन नेक्स्ट आई थिंक 1.5-2 months तक तो डेफिनेटली ये टूटने नहीं वाला है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. मार्केट है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, दिस इज माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द डेली चार्ट. Okay, now we have the daily chart. Now daily chart में as you can see, now how do we assume where the pullback will be? Okay, now pullback के लिए we use a tool called Fibonacci Retracement. ठीक है. Now as you guys know, ये इधर हम एक रेंज कंसोलिडेशन में अटके थे. ठीक है. Now ideal pullback क्या होगा? Ideal pullback will be if I take this high, what we had here, till this low, what we have made. This will be the ideal pullback, but I am trying to play it safe. Okay, so play it safe how? I am going to take the pullback from where? From this candle where the range broke. Okay, ये जो range consolidation था, इधर से this range broke, so I am going to take this impulse just to play it safe. Now if you see, I am initial target I am holding bare minimum till 9 EMA, which is also 38.2%, 16,269. Okay, this is your bare minimum level. A good case level will be 16,599, which is your 61.8% retracement, which will also coincide with your 21 EMA. As the price will start moving up, this will coincide with your 21 EMA. So 16,600. So we have 16,250 आप पकड़ लो. 250 तक तो bare minimum retracement market को लेना चाहिए. 250 के बाद we have a level at 434, which is 50%, but I don't think the market will stop here. The market will go to 16,600. That will be our major resistance if I am taking a conservative view. Okay, now if I take the entire trend, okay, अब ये levels में delete कर देता हूँ. If I take the entire trend from top to bottom, then our first level 38.2% is again coming to 16,600 के आसपास, 16,637. So it is safe to say that we should see some kind of retracement. Conservatively, if I see 16,250 का level, if I am a little more optimistic, if the market scenarios are good, LIC का IPO का listing भी होगा, etc., all the reasons are favorable, then we can even tap 16,600. When will we reverse completely? Reverse completely, एक तो ये trend 61.8% cross हो गया, so this downtrend का effect will be over. So that level is 17,194, 17,200 का level. So if we cross 17,200, then we will definitely not be breaking these lows in the near future. Then our resistance will be this trend line जो ऊपर से हमको resistance देते आ रहा है. The moment we break this trend line, then definitely we will be going towards the all-time high and eventually even breaking it. But let's not think about that far. अभी के लिए, for the coming week, we can assume coming week के लिए 16,250 का पहला target, followed by 16,430, followed by 16,600. Downside अगर हुआ, we have this zone 15,513 to 15,431 as a good support for us. सेम थिंग लेट्स सी ऑन बैंक निफ्टी. बैंक निफ्टी के डेली चार्ट पे, ओके, इफ आई सी टॉप से लेके अभी तक का, then here 35,194 should be our target in case there is a retracement pullback. 35,194 should be our target. Now whenever we have a pullback in bank nifty, it will definitely be led by HDFC Bank. Why do I say this? If you see HDFC Bank, इसको मैं थोड़ा बड़ा टाइम फ्रेम कर लेता हूँ. If you see HDFC Bank एक बहुत ही क्रूशल सपोर्ट पे खड़ा है. ओके, सो यू कैन सी देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटी हियर. ये ब्रेकआउट था जिसके बाद ये बहुत रैली हुआ. इधर इसने एक लो लगाया था रिसेंट पास्ट में, वापस ये सपोर्ट जोन में आया. ओके, ऑल्दो द वीकली कैंडल, वीकली देखो, वीकली चार्ट पे हम देखेंगे ना, इंडेक्स भी देखो, स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक भी देखो, द कैंडल फॉर्मेशंस आर नॉट गुड. ओके, सो आई विल नेवर से दिस इज अ good candle. This is a very bad bearish sign for us. But one good thing is it is still holding on to the support. 200 EMA भी बहुत पास में है, just 30 points away. 200 EMA है, 12,000 1250 का support भी है. So in case there is a dip, okay, in Nifty till this support zone, you will see HDFC Bank also taking support here. So this is the last support for us. इधर से तो definitely pullback आना ही आना है. But what is expected is कि मंडे से ही हमारा पुलबैक जर्नी स्टार्ट हो जाए, एटलीस्ट टिल 16,250. ओके, नाउ डाइविंग ऑन टू द एग्जैक्ट लेवल्स एंड द प्लान फॉर टुमारो. तो ये मैं हाइड कर देता हूँ. ओके, सो वी हैव अ फ्लिप जोन 15,817 to 15,853. दिस इज आवर फ्लिप जोन. फ्लिप जोन क्या होता है? बेसिकली इफ वी आर बिलो द फ्लिप, the overall trend for the day is considered negative. If we are above the flip, the overall trend of the day is considered positive. Okay, so we have the flip zone. Above that we have 15,958, and I believe इसके आसपास ही गई हमारी ओपनिंग होगी. Resistance, first resistance we are going to have is 16,028 to 16,069. Okay, now another thing that I will show you guys in comparison to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Why is Nifty stronger? I'll tell you guys. Okay, so this you can see, this is our 12th May से लेके 12th May का day. Now intraday, if we have a Fibonacci to plot, okay, we'll plot it from year to year. इसमें आप क्या देखोगे? ये जो लेवल था 61.8% का, we comfortably opened above that. तो ये जो हमारा डाउन ट्रेंड था, ये हो गया नेगेट. तो निफ्टी ने क्या किया? निफ्टी गया एक रेंज में. रेंज कैसा? ये पॉइंट से लेके ये पॉइंट, ये पॉइंट से लेके ये पॉइंट, इधर एक ब्रेकआउट फेलियर हुआ, एंड देन डेफिनेटली वी केम बैक टू द बॉटम. तो रेंज में टिपिकल, हाउ डू वी प्ले अ रेंज? सेल एट द टॉप, बाय एट द बॉटम. तो वी सेल हियर, वी बाय हियर. This is typically what we do in a range. So this is what has happened. Now, when will it become bullish? We will be opening somewhere around here. The moment we give a breakout of this level, okay, not like this breakout failure, we break out and we sustain, then definitely you will see an uptrend in Nifty. Now in Bank Nifty, what happened? Same thing. If I take the Thursday ka high to low, same Fibo what we drew on Nifty. Now you can see there Nifty may we opened above 61.8. Here we took exact resistance at 61.8. So did this trend become invalid? No. So Nifty went into a range, but what happened with Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty broke last time's low. Now technically ये low टूटने के बाद Bank Nifty should have been bleeding, but किसने बचाया उसको? निफ्टी ने बचाया, क्योंकि निफ्टी somehow was not, obviously because the trend was not that negative in Nifty, so निफ्टी ने Bank Nifty को बचा लिया. Now you can note down the levels. Okay, so resistance zone is 16,028 to 16,069. Uske baad we have this swing point here 16,121 के आसपास, and then we have a zone of 252 to 282. Okay, इधर तक is feasible. Downside में we have the low point of the Friday's trading session, also very close to the swing point here, 15,744, followed by the extension points 649, 600, and 530. These are our levels. Now for Bank Nifty, what do you have? For Bank Nifty, we have the flip 33,025 से लेके 33,134 is our flip. Okay, now इधर there are a lot of points close by, जगह जगह resistance बने हुए हैं. So 33,307, 33,634, 33,865. These are our three levels. This zone is very important, 34,172 to 269. Very important zone, क्योंकि ये जोन क्रॉस होते ही 34,000 के जितने भी कॉल राइटर्स थे वो लोग एग्जिट करेंगे मार्केट से, which will give it more momentum. So this zone is a very important resistance zone. Downside पे we have 32,752, 32,611, and then a very important support zone जहां अगर मार्केट आया तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन लुक फॉर अ बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी 32,255 से लेके 32,429. What is our plan for tomorrow? Plan for tomorrow should be, definitely we are opening somewhere around here. I think easily we will travel to this zone 16,028 से लेके 16,069 का zone easily we will travel. अगर इधर कोई negative candle formation होती है तो definitely we will look for shorts to target till the flip. अगर इसका breakout मिलता है तो definitely we will target for the next resistance zone. Okay, that will be in line with our pullback strategy. In case something extraordinary happens and we open gap down on Monday, then definitely if we open in the flip, we will look for support here, or we will look for support at 15,744. If we break this, then definitely we have 100 points straight up here, followed by these levels. ठीक है, ट्रेल करते जाएंगे एक एक लेवल पे. In case you have not considered joining our premium group, I would urge you guys to please join the premium group. It is $9.99 only. I think you should be able to invest this much on yourself. Don't think of it as an expense. Think of it as an investment. Okay. When I was in my starting journey, I didn't have the luxury of such kind of training and handholding, but definitely whatever mentors I had in my life, they have drastically helped me become a better trader, and I have paid much more higher fees than this. So I don't think $9.99 is a big deal. In case you want it free, you can open a Demat account on UPSTOX using our referral link, and you can also join it for absolutely free. Learning बहुत important है. For our premium members, we will be doing a Zoom live session tomorrow for all the premium members who are listening to us. So we will be doing a Zoom live session. We'll be trading together tomorrow on Zoom. Also, we are coming up with a swing trading strategy videos. Okay, it's going to be a series of videos with different swing trading strategies. Most of them are going to be for premium members. Ikka dukka मैं free में भी post कर दूंगा, but most of it is going to be for the premium members. One request, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, we are having very less subscribers. Motivation कम हो रहा है YouTube channel चलाते रहने का. So please do like, share, and subscribe. Please leave some comments down so that we know you guys are watching the video, you guys are liking the content. So please leave a comment down. Also do leave a comment in case you liked the trading that we did on Friday. It helps us, yeah, it motivates us, So thanks a lot. See you guys tomorrow. All the very best कल के session के लिए.